Hi, hello, Dr. Prasad Putilam with research methodology and intellectual property rights, 21RMI56, Visheshwara Technology University for the 5th semester students, module 3, part 6, 6th video of module 3. You might have been continuously watching my video, so I'm stopped giving continued same which I used to produce. So this is syllabus which I am covering and covers the course outcome 3 and the available textbook which is mentioned also I should tell. And this is the portion which I am covering now, the remedies. Because previous class I explained what are the possible infringement, how people will misuse the patent, what are the types of misuses. So if they misuse, what are the remedies? Either injunction or account of profit or cost. Then what are the other protection, government protection for the patent, like international patent regimes, international Paris Convention. So international instruments comes under the patent regime only, the same meaning. TRIPS agreement as well as PCT and Budapest Treaty. Okay, very interesting topic. So question is framed: how do remedies and international patent regimes play a pivotal role in shaping the landscape of global intellectual property rights enforcement and fostering innovation in a translational context? Okay, so answer key is given here, which is the syllabus itself, which I am covering in this particular video. So it is same type of covering the syllabus as well as giving one possible question with RBT level 4. Okay, so we'll see one by one remedies. So remedies in patent law is actually the legal measures which are designed to address the instances where a patent holder's rights are infringed upon. If a patent holder's rights are misused, then this comes, remedies will come. So these remedies they serve as the way to protect the exclusivity of that one who is having the patent or the granted by the exclusivity granted by a patent, and ensures that the patent holder is appropriately compensated for any unauthorized use of their invention. The primary remedies like injunction, account profit, or the cost, all these three terms comes under that. Okay, so we'll see one by one. What's one? That is injunction. Injunction, it is a powerful legal remedy that involves a court order to the company or the party who is infringing from engaging a further act of infringement. It acts as a preventive measure to halt any unauthorized use or the unauthorized manufacture or sale of the patented invention. Means the court will issue a letter, authorized letter signed by the judge or the authorized person, mentioning or preventing or giving a final warning to the one or the company who is doing this malpractice or in so-called infringement. So here I use the word infringement. Okay, so that they will not use the technology which is already patented or without permission. So they may approach the one who is having hold to either to get license for that, or they will stop that from using whichever possible they have to use. So that will there it will stop immediately. To have to stop, so it prevents the continued violation of the patent holders rights. That is called injunction. Or second one, account of profit. Account of profits. So in case if the patent infringement, the patent holder may seek an account profit from the infringing party. This means that infringer must disclose and compensate the patent holder for the profit gained through the unauthorized use of patented invention. This remedy is intended to financially compensate the patent holder for the losses incurred. Means if somebody misused it, they get some income from that. Then the legal advisor or the legal law says that they should disclose how much income they have gained from that. Exactly, they have to mention what are the profit they got. That profit he has to hand over to the one who is actually having the patent. Okay, so that is the second one. Or at least share the if he is properly marketed, which the patent holder could not have done, then I can say that there has to be equally share the profit, the patent holder as well as the one who did the misuse. That can also be done if they are mutually disagree. Otherwise, third remedy, that is a cost. The prevailing party in the patent infringement case is often awarded cost, encompassing legal fees and other expenses incurred during the litigation process. This serves as a form of reimbursement for the resources expended by the successful party in defending or enforcing their patent rights. That means the patent holder will claim amount, a total amount, including the amount that he spent for that legal action to take to pay the fees of the legal advisor. Everything including that amount will be finalized, that the one who has done that misuse or infringement has to pay to the patent holder. That is about cost. Now, international patent regimes. International patent regimes, they refers to the frameworks and the agreements governing the protection and enforcement of patent rights on a global scale. These regimes, they facilitate cooperation among countries to ensure consistent standards in intellectual property protection. So the key instrumental patent regimes are the Paris Convention, TRIPS Agreement, PCT, as well as Budapest Treaty. Okay, we'll see one by one. Paris Convention. Paris Convention is an international treaty. Treaty means association or a meeting organized, like that you can say. It's an international treaty which outlines principles for the protection of intellectual property, which including the patent and among other members of the country. So it introduced the concept of priority rights. So very important, the Paris Convention, these priority rights, allowing the inventor to claim priority when filing a patent application in another member country within a specific time frame. Means if an inventor, if he already filed a patent in his country or in some other country who are in the member countries of that, then when he want to apply the same patent to some other country who are member of that, he will get the priority. He will get the first priority. Okay, say. Okay, that is called Paris, under the Paris Convention, main point under Paris Convention. The second one, that is a TRIPS agreement. TRIPS means trade related aspects of intellectual property rights. So this agreement, it is controlled or administered by the World Trade Organization, which establishing the global standards for intellectual property protection, including the patents. So the participating countries agreed to provide minimum levels of patent protection to encourage international trade and innovation. That means if these member countries under this World Trade Organization or under the TRIPS, they have to protect if some other country fellow applied a patent in our country, then the member country has to make sure that it is protected. Okay, it's not that only our country patents, our country members patent only will protect. They have to take equal importance to all the countries that comes under the TRIPS agreement under World Trade Organization, so that international trade is possible. Easily they can, the people who are working in invention and their manufacturing and trading can do. So that is about trade related aspects of intellectual property rights. Now the PCT, Patent Corporation Treaty. Patent Corporation Treaty is an international treaty streamlining the process of filing patent applications in multiple countries. It offers a centralized filing procedure with an international phase, simplifying the initial stages of seeking patent protection across various jurisdictions. That means after PCT, that Patent Corporation Treaty, if one who want to apply for a patent, he need to apply only one single patent, which is a centralized one. Okay, so all the member countries, it will go, the initially will go. So it's a mechanism to initiate the patent application process through a single international application. And he will get, he is seeking the protection in multiple countries simultaneously. That is, that decision was taken by PCT, Patent Corporation Treaty. Next one, that is okay, the title is little bit longer. Budapest Treaty on the international recognition of the deposit of microorganisms for the purpose of patent procedure, that is Budapest Treaty. Okay, so Budapest Treaty facilitates the deposition of microorganisms for patent purpose, addressing requirements related to biological material. It ensures inventors can meet patent criteria concerning the deposit of such material. It means mainly it's on a biotechnology related field, which was somewhat new to the world. For us now it is not new, but that time when the patent law was just generating, it was new. Therefore the Budapest Treaty was introduced mainly for the biotechnology related field, biotechnology related company. When they are working on microorganism, they are making a new microorganism which is used for some medicinal purpose or that. So once they prepare or they manufacture or they develop such microorganism by changing the DNA or some other mechanism which is possible, or when they do that, they need to deposit in the microorganism. They need to submit the details as well as the microorganism sample to a centralized place, which will be considered, and they will protect it. They will say they will give the first priority to that company only, which is submitted first. So that type of protection. Then slowly that company can complete that whatever procedure they want to do. That is called a Budapest Treaty. That is Budapest Treaty. Okay, that's about this particular class video. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe and support. You can see my YouTube channel symbol MI, that is My Intuition 4865. Please do watch this video, which my video only in this particular YouTube channel, My Intuition 4865. Others can simply they are doing, some of them are doing it. Please do not support them. It is against the intellectual property rights. Okay, so don't do it. Please watch my videos. If you are watching my video other than this channel, then also you are also under case. Okay. Okay, just for a joke I'm telling. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my videos. So please do support me by subscribing. Thank you very much.